Hello guys, so I'll be discussing all about types of rocks and the rock cycle. So the three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous are formed from the solidification of molten rock materials. Sedimentary are types of rocks that are formed by the accumulation or deposition of mineral or organic particles at the Earth's surface, followed by cementation. The metamorphic, typically from deep in the planet's crust, they are often exposed on the surface of the Earth. So, the rock cycle. It all starts in magma, and due to volcanic eruption, rocks are formed into igneous rocks, and due to wind, it will be formed as sediments. So, because of sediments, after a few years, sediments will become into sedimentary rocks, and then due to tectonic plates and earthquakes or other land deformation, sedimentary rocks form into metamorphic rocks, and then the cycle will go all over again. Thank you.
Discuss the geological hazard. Geological hazard, it is a type of adverse geologic condition capable of causing damage or loss of property and life. Geological, it is a study of the earth structures and substance. Hazards means it is a phenomenon or process, either natural or human-made. Example of geological hazard is earthquake. It is a violent shaking of the ground, sometimes causing great destruction or damage of our society as a result of movement within the earth crust. Second is landslide. It is a solid rocks and debris that move suddenly. Lastly is tsunami. It is a series of waves caused by the earthquake and volcanic eruptions. That's all. Thank you.
The greenhouse effect occurs when the gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap the heat of the sun. The Earth is much colder as a result of this process than it would be if it didn't have an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the factors that contribute to Earth's friendly living conditions. However, the natural greenhouse effect of the Earth is being altered by human activities. When fossil fuels like coal and oil are burned, more carbon dioxide is released into the Earth's atmosphere. If there are so many of these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the Earth's atmosphere will begin to trap more and more heat. The Earth warms as a result of this.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain to you what is weather patterns. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. We all know that weather is the everyday state of an atmosphere. A small change to any of these conditions can create a different weather pattern. Precipitation is just a part of a water cycle, including evaporation where the liquid turns to gas, transpiration where water from plants turn into gas, and condensation where the cool gas can be turned into rain in night. Cloudiness. The clouds are divided into three levels: the high cloud that includes the cirrocumulus and cirrostratus clouds and base, usually 20,000 feet or above. The second one is the next is medium clouds that include the altocumulus, altostratus, and nimbostratus clouds. Last one is the pressure and wind. The wind moves because of the air pressure variation from one place to another. This means that in areas of high pressure, the gases in the air are more crowded, while in the low pressure zones, the gases are a little more spread out.
Climate pattern is composed of weather happenings in a certain area at a specific time of year, and a longer duration can be seasonal. According to the National Aeronautics Space Administration or NASA, climate change is a long-term transitions in the average weather patterns that have to come into define the Earth's local, regional, and global climate. Yet, it's not simply a change, signifying the average global temperature increasing worldwide, meaning our world is getting hotter. Key to combat climate change. First, emission trading. to promote cost-effective emission reduction. Second, technology sharing that will double the research investment in clean energy. Third, reduce deforestation, which is a quick and highly cost-effective way to reduce emission. Fourth, help poorer countries by honoring the pledges for development assistance to adapt to climate change.